Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into JetBrains easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in jetbrains.com and press enter. Once the JetBrains homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the JetBrains login page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've filled in your email and password, click the Login button. You should now be signed in to your JetBrains account. If prompted, complete any additional security verification. Now, explore your JetBrains dashboard and access your projects. If you're new to JetBrains, consider creating an account by clicking on the Create Account link on the login page. Fill in the required details to set up your new account. After creating an account, you can log in using the same steps mentioned earlier. Enjoy using JetBrains tools for your development projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.